Hey, what's up guys? My name is Miguel.
Hi guys, I'm Erica.
Erica's a little sick today, so she's not really gonna be talking much. We're just outside. It's very cold today. And they're being very hungry today, like always. So today what we're gonna be doing is just vlogging our daily life out here, feeding the animals and doing a few other things. We have a bunch of frozen water out here, as you can see. So we gotta handle that. But first, let's go feed Carter and Elizabeth.
What we typically do is we'll come, feed them, and they're always fighting over one bowl, as you see. There are the bowls over there. Little update on Elizabeth. Mikey still is not sure. He doesn't believe she's pregnant, or he's not sure. I'm like 100% sure she's pregnant.
Yeah, I don't think
Believe me, guys.
think she's pregnant.
He doesn't believe it. We have not performed like the pregnancy test on her, but she's pregnant.
We gotta move.
I predict the babies to be here like end of January, beginning of February, maybe middle of February. I'm just saying that because I'm a little off as we're like we didn't really track. I'm just going off of when they first got together. It could have happened then. It could have happened 2 weeks later. I'm not really sure, but we'll see. If I could get it a little closer. If you look at her belly, her teeth are pretty low.
It's like 20 degrees out here, so everything is frozen, as you can see. So this is something in the winter time that we have to do like twice or maybe 3 times a day. Make sure they're being hydrated and make sure they have fresh water at all times.
Hay just went down like 2 days ago, so they're good on that. They're pretty warm.
Yeah, and it's actually pretty warm in here. I just got in there and it's like this morning I saw how cold it was outside and I was just a little worried, but I mean they're pigs and there's cats all around here, so if the cats are warm, I'm pretty sure they're fine.
And it's their second winter with us too, so it's not like,
yeah,
you know,
they came
not
from Alabama, so
yeah,
it's pretty warm out there, but I think they're good now.
I feel like they've already gotten used to like our weather because again it's their second winter, so they do pretty well. We don't really have an issue with pretty easy pigs, if you ask me. No matter where we go, she just seems to follow us.
And we have a special treat for them today that we'll be showing you guys in a second.
Just for a little update, Mikey still has not gotten his chainsaw out of that tree since 2 months ago. So still in there. There's somebody working somewhere around here, and I think it's motivating him to go get his chainsaw out. All right, so next up is Timmy's feed. So Timmy's feed is right here. We keep, and then
the chickens feed. But this is actually pig feed. We've been giving it to the chickens for a few days because they ran out. So we have some in the car, but I'll bring it out in a little bit for now because we feed them twice a day. One of these twice a day, which is 3-quart scoop. So this will be the first one, and later on I'll give them another scoop of their own feed. But this is just as good. I think they're both like 16% protein or something like that.
All right, so now we're in Timmy's area, and look at them. They are already
I forgot.
in the food.
All right, so as you guys know, one of the things we do is add this to their water. First, add a little bit of this. That's good. And I feel like every time we add this, they just drink the water up faster. And I guess it tastes good to them. So we'll add this to everyone's water. And then, yeah, I'll take this one.
As far as the buckets, we try to keep these 2 buckets here full of water. It's just easier, like if you come out in the morning, because we don't have a hose. Huh? Oh, we did. We got them a new feed bowl yesterday at Tractor Supply, so you have to bring that out here. And the reason for that is, we'll show you guys now, since it's so cold out here, their water, what is that called? Their like water bucket, it has like the little nipples on it. It's freezing, so they can't get any water out. So now we're gonna switch over to like the big black bowls that we usually use for the pigs. So now it's feed time.
So we're gonna put their water in here. I have to clean it up a little bit. This, actually I'm gonna take out now. This is what we use in the summertime. But we won't be using this one anymore because I broke it yesterday.
Oh, wow.
It was frozen, and me like a dummy, I started hitting it, and then it cracked. So.
And that was actually, I actually really like that in the summer.
Yeah, we'll just get another one. They're not too expensive. They're good. And this is perfect.
It's perfect for the amount of chickens that we have, and also it holds a lot of water, so they don't run out as quickly. Like, we've even went on vacation, I believe, right? Yeah. And I don't think my parents had to fill it up maybe once. Maybe. Now we're gonna use the bowl. And then this is just a feeder that they have. Did you make this or did you get this? I forget. It's just like a Tractor Supply bucket with hose around it and then around like a tin. And it's enough for, you know, all of them to just eat at once. This is how our mornings go every morning. Gotta stop by everyone's little home, feed them, give them water, clean up some poop if you need to. Rain or shine, heat, just what you have to do.
So that's good.
Yeah, I know, I saw that.
Yeah, I gotta clean that up. I'll do that now. So today we'll be adding some more pine shavings in there because it's kind of filled up with some manure. I gotta go give Carter and Elizabeth water, and then we'll give them their special treat.
This is our little door situation.
Yeah,
we have going.
When we got this, so the reason why our door is so small is because I got this from a guy on, I think it was Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp or something, and we had gotten a coop. He gave me a free chicken coop. So I went and picked it up. After hours of trying to get it here, I finally got it out the truck, off the trailer. Then I was looking at it, trying to figure out what I needed to go buy to fix it up, and it just made more sense to make one, to build one. So I ended up building this chicken coop, but he also had the run. So this was the run to his chicken coop. So instead of me making or building a run with a door, I just used the one that he gave to us. So, and I never changed the height of the door here.
That's next on our list.
Yeah, so it is annoying. I've hit my head on there a few times.
I feel like we just want to do like small upgrades to the coop. We're gonna keep the coop, but I do want to do like
I want to add wheels to it.
We want to add wheels. I want to also paint it like all white and give it that like little cottage core look. So I think I'm going to do that like this spring when it gets cooler out. A nice white, change like the latches on it. Then Mike is going to change the door. Oh, and we want to get a automatic chicken door. That's like #1 next on our list. And oh, change the steps, right? Like build new steps, because right now the steps that they have is just like really like floppy. So just those things. But as far as the coop, Mikey did a great job, so it works for us, and we'll keep it until it just doesn't work anymore.
Sorry, it's a little cold.
So here we have Charlotte and we have Doug. They're big. I'm gonna get a video.
Yeah, they are always nice and warm. I gotta add another bill of hay into there.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna try this new product out that was sent to us from Grub Terra. It's black soldier fly larva. It produces stronger eggshells, healthier feathers, farm raised, and has 75% more calcium than mealworms. As you know, right now it's the winter, so we don't get as many eggs. And we're always open just to, you know, a healthier version for our chickens. They also do dogs, reptiles, birds, fish, so definitely check them out. Today we're gonna give this to our chickens, and if you use the code GRUB10, you'll get 10% off of the website, so go check them out. We're about to open this, and let's see how our chickens end up liking it. It smells good.
Taste one.
You taste one. So it's looking like this.
All right, so we're gonna see how they like it right now. I have a handful, and this is their first time eating this, trying this out, and they just ate. In the winter time, like I told you guys before, we like to give them different supplements, especially because only a few of them we let free range. Sometimes we'll let them all out, but there's like 4 or 5 chickens that they get out all the time, and that's because 2 of them we never clipped their wings, so they've been getting out since day 1. We could never catch them. And then the others, they just, I guess their wings grew, so they've been able to fly recently, so they get to grub on everything in the woods and in the grass and all. But then the rest they don't, so we have to, you know, bring in what they would typically get out there. And so this right here is just something that we're glad that they sent to us. So if you have backyard chickens, even if you don't, even if they're free range, and this is just something really good, this has 75% more calcium than mealworms. I know typically people like to give their chickens mealworms. We're one of them. We've never given them black fly larvae before, so I guess now we're gonna start. This is a great product. They seem to love it, and we seem to love it, so we'll see how it helps with egg production now and just the quality of egg that we get, and we'll keep you guys posted on that. And remember, go to their website, Grub Terra, and you type in Grub 10 for, what is it, 10% off, and you'll get 10% off the entire website, whether you have dogs, fish, reptiles, any other birds. They have lots of products on there, and remember, Grub 10 for 10% off. So what I'm just doing right here is I'm adding some more pine shavings to this. There was like stacks of manure, and you know we do the deep litter method, so we're not just gonna clean it out just yet. And I want to get it up in there because they're probably gonna be spending some time in here now because we don't have a closed part on our run. Everything is open. So it's starting to snow and rain right now. So they'll probably be getting up in here to get out of the rain or snow. Now we're just gonna close this up. That's it for the morning chores, but this is pretty much it. This is how our morning goes pretty much almost every morning. Typically I'm at work in the morning, so Erica will do it, and whatever she doesn't do, then I'll just do when I get home. So this is our day-to-day life. We'll catch you on another one. Peace.